Public speaking is the foundation of leadership. For thousands of years, civilizations have depended on eloquent speakers to inform, persuade, and uplift audiences. Great storytellers and orators have changed the course of history. Yet average people still struggle to express their ideas in ways that inspire and convince others. And if you look at the way we communicate today, in person and via digital technology, the challenge multiplies. Take video conferencing and the role it plays in our work lives. How we speak in person is different from the way we connect on video, and most of you are still learning how to do it right. After more than 3 decades as a communications leader and spokesperson at major corporations in the U.S. and Latin America, I've gathered the best techniques for media interviews and public speaking to create training programs for business leaders like you. My workshops will prepare you to project your confidence and authority in person and on the small screen. I work with groups and one-on-one. My coaching style is tailored to your needs and to your industry. From how to use your body language to bolster your message on Zoom, to how to manage productive meetings online, my courses address the challenges of remote leaders to communicate effectively. Browse my website for resources and programs to help you succeed as a speaker, spokesperson, or presenter, and connect with me using the contact forms on the site. And remember that everything you see here está disponible en español.